Hello, my YouTube friend. It's like 3:30, running a little bit late. I only slept about 7 hours last night, so I'm a little bit tired today. I'm still, I'm doing my weird adjustment thing, and I still, I kind of woke up panicked because I knew there's things I need to get done in the shop. So I got myself up, but I'm really tired today. I'm gonna try to get as much done today, and then I have a big collection coming in tomorrow at noon, so I might have to force myself up really early for myself, or my wife might get it, and then I'll deal with it later in the afternoon. It's gonna be difficult the next few days, but I'm gonna get through it because that's just what I do. Let's do a little walk and talk. It was exactly a month ago today that I posted a video saying I was buying again. I stopped buying in, I guess the end of November is the last collection I purchased. And I just took off the winter. I don't really like to buy so much in the winter because the shop's a little bit slower, and it was already kind of full of stuff. So I didn't feel the need to buy, but we had a really good winter. We sold a lot, and that's kind of why I decided, you know what, it's time to go just full force again buying for the shop. I can't believe what we sold over the winter. We just sold a ton of pops. So, a month ago to this day, I just started, I posted that video saying that I would buy again. And I just started up. I started up a little bit slow. I think the very first collection I bought was from Wythe Ave. It's blowing wind right now, so we're going to test to see how well this microphone works with the wind blowing. But yeah, I bought it from Wythe Ave, and that was pretty awesome. And that video actually did pretty good. I mean, the last 2 years my channel's been really slow, having a hard time getting any subscribers, getting enough views on the video to make it worthwhile. But that video did pretty good, so I was like, you know what, let me try to do videos more often. And that's what I started doing. So a week after that I did another video. It did well. So a few days after that I did another video, and then I just started doing daily. I'm having fun doing these daily videos because they're actually doing well, which is awesome. That's very motivating. It's not motivating. I was at the point where I'd post a video and I'd lose like 10 subscribers every time I post a video, and that's very demotivating. I want to have people actually watch the videos. I want people to enjoy the videos. It takes a lot of work. I want them to get enough views that kind of pays for the expense of doing the videos. So that makes me really happy that people are actually watching them. So yeah, I've done, I think, 19 out of the last 20 days I posted a video, and it's going really good. So I'm going to try to keep it up. This is a ton of fun for me. Last night I got 5 patrons mystery boxes done. I'm going to try to do at least 5 a day for the next week. If I do 5 a day for 7 days, I'll be caught up. I'll have boxes made up for everyone that I owe boxes to, so that'll be good. That stresses me out, just knowing I owe stuff to people, and I hate letting people down, so I want to get that done. And then once I catch up with all the boxes, how mystery boxes will go moving forward is I'm going to do a post on my members page on YouTube, and when people want to do a mystery box, well, no, what will happen is like once or twice a month, maybe even weekly, I'll be like, hey, anyone want to do mystery boxes when I'm free, when I have time to do them? And if people want to do mystery boxes, they'll just say how much they want to spend, maybe like 40 bucks, 50 bucks, $15, $100, and I'll get their PPG want list. So I'll look at their want list, and if I have enough stuff in the shop to kind of cover the expense of the mystery box or what they want to spend, then I'll do the mystery box. If I don't have stuff for them, I'll say I can't do the mystery box. And that'll make it a lot easier, because the thing I stressed out about the most is just not having enough pops to fill in mystery boxes and not finding stuff for certain people. Want very specific stuff, and when people want very specific stuff, it's almost impossible for me to find that stuff. So I think this way it'll be a little bit easier for me to find stuff for people. Oh, we got a little compressor here, so it's loud. So I figured we'd go over here. Check this out. Really cool hotel right down the block from my shop. I like it. They have like a second floor garden that you can go into. So I thought we could go and check this out and chat and talk a little bit. I think, yeah, it's cool up here. So just came up those stairs. They have a little garden where they grow for one of the local restaurants. And then up top here, just like they have trees and grass and things you can sit on. It's beautiful. There used to be no building here, so you actually had a view of the skyline, but now there's this big office building right here, so that kind of blocks it. But it's a really cool looking building. Maybe we're just gonna sit on the grass and talk. Hopefully this video sounds all right, or looks all right with all the noises as we were walking. Okay, so I wanted to talk about a little bit why I've been able to do daily videos. I think last year my patrons gave me about $5,000 when she took out the cost of shipping mystery boxes and when I paid for the pops. So because I was getting so much help from the patrons, I took that $5,000 and I bought a $5,000 really awesome computer. I wanted one with the really fast video card. I forget the name of the card. It's a 380, whatever that means. And I think it was like a $3,000 video card. And I got 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, really fast RAM. A 2 terabyte solid state drive. I wanted things to reload quick, upload quick, and edit quick. And I've been able to edit 4K videos within like an hour, right? It used to take me hours and hours to get videos done because it would freeze up with every edit. And that was even with 1080p, not even 4K videos. And so now I'm able to do like an hour 4K video, maybe 2 or 3 hours to edit that. But it's just so much quicker. So I can edit it, and then when I save it, it used to take me like 5 to 10 hours for a video to render. Now it takes like, for an hour 4K video, it takes me like 45 minutes. It's amazing. I love how fast it is. My biggest bottleneck right now is my upload speed. I only get 10 megabytes per second. And so like an hour long video that's in 4K takes me like 30-40 hours to upload, and it's forever. Whew. If I could get that upload speed to like an hour for a 4K 1 hour video, that would be amazing. That would allow me to keep going daily on this channel, and I might even try to go daily on Pop Comics as well. This is pretty cool. I don't have studio space. I have really limited space in my office, and right now it's crowded with boxes of Pops. I'm trying to put together mystery boxes for my patrons. Trying to catch up. I want to get that completely done so I don't have to worry about it anymore. And once I clear that up, I can get back to doing the comic hauls, which I kind of miss doing. To me, the comic videos are the ones I do just for myself. They're fun. If I get some views, I'm happy. If it earns a little revenue, I'm extra happy. It'd be cool if it paid for all the comic books I buy, because I buy too many. But yeah, so I bought at the end of January. Like, I took a couple months off from doing videos as well because I was just tired, and I was just getting frustrated how long it was taking to edit stuff. So by the end of January, I looked up how much I made from Patreon. I'm like, I'm gonna put all that money invested into a computer. So thank you, patrons. You guys rock. And you're making it so I can do these daily videos right now, and I love it. Now I am switching. I'm closing Patreon down pretty soon in the next month or two. I'm leaving it on pause just so I can communicate with people and get the mystery boxes done, so I get everything that people are owed done. And then once I'm done with that, I'm probably closing it down. And I'm trying to get everyone to become members instead. If you look right below the video, there should be a join button. You can become a member. It's $3 a month. And for that $3, I'm going to try to do like 2 or 3 little fun videos every week, just like little behind the scene videos. And then I'm still going to do mystery boxes for my members. And with the mystery boxes, like I said, a few times a month, I'll be like, okay, I'm ready to do some mystery boxes. People can give me their PPG want list, tell me how much about what they want to spend, and I'll see what I can find. And so I'm going to add $5 this time to cover some of the shipping, because I got to the point where I was shipping some boxes and making nothing, and that was kind of stressful too. So I'm going to add $5 for shipping. But it doesn't matter if you order, 10 pops and it costs me $20 to ship. The $5 is enough to kind of cover it. And then everything else on the mystery box will be based on the PPG price. You're not going to lose money. I'm not going to send you, it's not a gamble. You're not going to pay $80 for a chance to get a $300 pop, but most likely only get $50 worth of pops. And also, the other thing that stresses me out is I was always trying to get perfect boxes for my patrons. So when I do mystery boxes, if you're the kind of person that doesn't mind a little bit of a dinged up box, or you're out of box collector, just let me know, and that makes it a little bit easier for me as well. Man, it's really cool up on this park. I like that there's just this giant building here, but then you're up here. We come up here during the 4th of July to watch the fireworks. The office building behind us kind of blocks it. Lots of city noises, all kinds of city noises while sitting up here. But yeah, this building kind of blocks the fireworks, but if you stand on the edge, you can see them, and it's actually a pretty good shot. It's better than being on the street. The other thing cool up there is just, like, that's an old water tower that they turned into a bar, and then there's a water tower there. It's very Brooklyn. It's cool up there. I love it. I think it's neat. Okay, so I'm running late for the store. I wanted to do a little walk and talk with you guys just to give you an update. I think it's cool that it's been a month since I started doing videos again. It's been a fabulous month, and I'm enjoying this daily schedule because I feel like I'll get a little bit of creativity out of me every day, and that's what I really want. That's the thing that I thrive on, just being a little bit creative every day. And it's motivating me to get more work done in the store, so that's pretty good too. Sales have been great. I think this has been one of our best months the last month. and just it's been fun interacting with a lot of people and just getting a lot done. It's tiring, but it's awesome. All right, let's head back to the store. I really have to get Cheyenne's stuff done today. He dropped it off on Friday. It's now Monday. Today's the day. I need to get it done so I can get him paid today. And then tomorrow, I think actually I have one small collection that's being dropped off today, or people are trading in like 20 pops. And then I have the big collection tomorrow, and then I might need a few days off from buying just so I can let the store settle down a little bit because it's overloaded with stuff right now. Even though we're selling like maybe 30 to 60 pops every day, that's like 400 or 500 a week. It's a lot of pops are selling, but I'm buying a lot more than that. So I want to let it settle down maybe for a few days. Maybe not. Maybe for the next few days if we sell a lot, and with this big collection, if I break even relatively quick, I'll go back to buying. That's where it's not really about how much profit I make right now. It's about how fast I break even. If I can spend $5,000 on a collection and then get that $5,000 back in less than a week, then I just go and keep going. Because at the end of the day, as long as my bills are paid, I don't mind loading the store up with a bunch of stuff because it will sell eventually. And right now is the time, if it can pay for itself, just get as much as I can. Just load up and then let it sell slowly. Or maybe I overload too much and then I start doing more online. So many people are asking this for me to sell online, and I just don't have time to do it because I'm so busy with the videos and the buying and the store. But if I get to the point where I'm too overloaded and the store slows down, I'll definitely try to sell to a lot more people online. The only thing that is kind of hard is a lot of people want the coolest, best stuff, right? They contact me and they're like, oh, can you do this? The thing is, that stuff's selling in the store anyway. It sells within minutes of me putting it out, and I don't have to do any work compared to taking 20 minutes to package it up. So I'm not really looking to sell stuff as soon as it comes in the shop, but I want to find a way that like every once in a while I will do some live sales or some claim sales or something. I want to do stuff for my members, maybe weekly, maybe even twice weekly. I just have to figure out how to do the live streams, how to feel comfortable with it. I'm definitely going to start with the mystery boxes again because I love doing them when I can actually find stuff for people. I just stress out when I can't. But after that, if I could just walk around the store and people pick out stuff, I think that would be pretty fun. Okay, I gotta get back to the store. I really have to get Cheyenne's stuff done today. I really want to get them paid and then get ready for tomorrow's collection. Okay, let's head back to the store. They're always filming in my neighborhood. This is right down the 2 blocks from my shop. So it's another movie or show they're filming in the neighborhood tomorrow. Very cool. All right, I'm back at the shop. Time to go in and do some work. All right, Jason and Jenny brought stuff in. I thought it was only gonna be like 20 items. Although he said the top box is the bigger stuff. Oh, there he is now. He's bringing a pile. I'm here with Jason. He's trading in just a whole pile of stuff. You're just getting store credit, correct?
Yeah,
yeah. He said he would spend it here anyway, so he gets a much better deal.
I'm gonna give it right back to him. So yeah. So much good stuff here.
Okay, so I'm gonna start digging through your stuff. Okay, I'm gonna dig through Jenny and Jason's stuff, just see what they brought in. Mounted White Walker. Oh, a couple of these house sets. These are super cool. The Haunted Mansion. I love this one. Yeah, I need to keep that one eventually. Let me get this one out. Oh wow, this one's amazing. So we have Dumbledore with the Hogwarts castle. The castle's kind of small, but that's amazing. I love that one. All right, let me get into this box. Okay, so I think they said one box is big stuff, one box is all the pops. So it looks like we have a bunch of Haunted Mansion ones, which are cool. We have La Llorona. That one is a really creepy cool one. A bunch of sodas, which I'll open up in a second. Dancing Groot. Brett Michaels. 11 with Egos. Always good to have Stranger Things stuff. Howard as Turbo Man from Jingle All the Way. Love the old school Arnold Schwarzenegger movies. That one's cool. Constance Hatchaway. Alexander Nichikov. I don't know if I'm saying that right. We have Sting. Eddie Van Halen. That's cool. I love the music ones. Dustin. And it looks like a whole bunch of the Seinfeld play sets, which these just don't sell for me. I feel like one day they will, but right now there's no demand for them. So, and I'm not going to show all of them because they're pretty much the same set over and over again. They just change up the little figure, which makes it kind of silly. Or, no, I guess they attach together to make the one bigger set, but I just don't find them that interesting, even though I love Seinfeld. Okay, let me open up all the sodas and show you guys all the stuff in the cans, because these are cool. Oh, Oompa Loompas. Yeah, I might be tempted to keep some of these. These are cool. Okay, let me open all those up. Oh.
Hey, Sean.
My friend Sean's here. More comics. Always more comic books. It's like Christmas every day. All right, I'll go. All right, I'll go. All right, I'll go through those in a few minutes. A little overwhelmed here, but that's all right. Sean gives me time sometimes. I think I still have to go through a pile he left on the weekend. So. Yeah.
This is a lot heavier.
Yeah, okay. All right, here's the Funko sodas. We have the Oompa Loompas, which are cool. Yakko.
Well, they're probably about the same price, Sean.
All right, I'm filming, Sean. Action.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I don't know if you want to take this one down.
Yeah, I can give you credit for it right now.
Okay, action.
All right, action. All right, I got the sodas out. We have the Oompa Loompa, Yakko, couple Russells, which are awesome. Yakko, more Oompa Loompas, and Jack. That's a fun little batch of sodas. All right, we have JKL Awesome here.
What's up?
He does lots of really cool Funko reviews and stuff. He pops in the shop every once in a while. So.
Every once in a while.
Yeah, it's really cool to see him.
Star Wars
And
stuff.
for me, it's super fun because he'll buy something in the shop and then I get to see him review it.
That's right.
Super fun. Awesome to have you in the shop.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, we have a Jack Skellington art series. Oh, Billy Hoyle from White Man Can't Jump. That's cool. I don't get that one too often. We have a regular Sully. I don't think I've seen that one before. That's cool. We have, oh, the Yeti. Might have to keep that one. Might have to keep that one. We got Sally from the art series. We have Oogie Boogie. I kind of like this one just because the worm theme kind of goes with him. And then we have the Funko Shop version of him. Then we have the Mayor. And then it looks like we have an All Might statue or figure. I think that's a Crane Game figure. That is neat. And then it looks like we have, oh, a Freddy Krueger. This is really cool. That will go quick in the shop. Okay, and then I have 4 10-inch ones I'm going to pull out. We got 4 10-inch pops. This amazing Michael Myers. I love that one. Carnage is really cool. The Demogorgon, love that one. And Michelangelo. Oh, those are pretty awesome. Jenny and Jason also trade in a ton of other pop culture stuff. I buy all this kind of stuff. So if you guys have other things besides Funko Pops, I am interested because it does sell and I do want it. We have this really amazing Skeletor, a PS3 controller, a couple All Might Crane game from Japan things, and some of these mini games, which I think are super cool. All right, we have this amazing Dr. Manhattan figure. He is so cool. I'm so tempted to keep this one. I just love that he's in his suit. Very cool figure. All right, one more batch of really cool stuff. We have a couple of Harry Potter wands. Really like the Voldemort one. That one's awesome. We have a couple really awesome Bluetooth speakers. We have the Enterprise and then the Millennium Falcon. I kind of want those, but I'm going to sell them. A PS3 controller and a really cool Freddy Krueger. We need horror stuff all the time, so that's super awesome.